Hello, welcome back to CompXM CompXM 2024-2025 top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details guarantee for our one marketing part. I show you now. You see that you can check the previous video for the INDI. We check the industry condition report to get the start here, right? In table 2 and table 3 to update the product each round, and you can develop 4 new products here for double sale and double profit. You have 4 rounds, so we need to do all the product in round 1. And now we look at the marketing. For marketing, we set the price for trip here: core, nano, elite, 22, 30, 38 and 42. So again, do not copy the number. You need to understand we have 4 different products in 4 segments. So trip 22, corn 30, nano here, and elite here, different order from student to student, from game to game. So do not copy. You understand we have 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, elite. So you need to check that to make sure the right order and the right number, otherwise you make mistake, right? So I always say this again and again. So for marketing, we can check this one, check the trip here to see the details, right? Trip, right? Trip, core, nano, elite. So you can also see that. You can also check the production here to see the order of your product here. So trip is number 4, core, nano, elite. So we check this report, you see the order of your product, and we see the range of the price. Okay. So I say this again, very important. Check this report part to find out the order trip, what product is the trip, core, and nano, and segment, right? For target product. For the trip, we set the price 22. For the core, we set 30. For the nano, we set 38, and elite we set 42. We change the price from the original here, right? To sell much better. And also you can check the competitors. You see the check competitors. You see that the trip here. So we set the price 20 for trip, and core here we set the price for 30 to sell best, right? Core, that's right, price. And nano here we set the price for 38, right? Nano to set the price 38 to sell much better. And elite we can set the price 42, right? So that's the reason. And another thing in the marketing is you calculate the sale forecast. To calculate the sale forecast, we look at this one to find this part of the video report to see the unit we sold and inventory, and then you can use Excel file to calculate that, to calculate the sale forecast here, sale forecast and production here. Alright, and then you input into the game for the sale forecast. So that's very detailed. In round 1, round 2, 3 and 4 you can do that in the similar way. So round 1 is very detailed, right? So that's overview of round 1 marketing for CompXM 2024-2025. If you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com to get support for round, or get support for round 1 for free. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.